Welcome back. Now in the Caribbean this evening, we are continuing to monitor weak areas of dust across the east that we are seeing helping to generate some cloudy conditions across the general area. We have stable conditions in the central Caribbean, but we did see some shower and isolated thunderstorm activity across sections of central and western parishes today as a result of that moisture convergence. Now the forecast for tonight is for partly cloudy skies. We expect the temperatures to drop to about 26 degrees Celsius. The winds are from the north on the south coast and from the southeast on the north coast. Now in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting generally sunny conditions. For the afternoon, it's partly cloudy. We do also have some showers likely across inland areas. Temperatures are likely to be reaching about 34 degrees Celsius, both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Now for the breakdown, expect partly cloudy conditions with some isolated showers and a few thunderstorms possible in Spanish Town, Mandeville, as well as in the southwest in Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. And that's where we'll have to leave you this evening with the weather report and forecast. But we thank you so much for watching.